Good night, all. Thank you for your time opportunity that was given to me. Introduce my name, Juliana Beatu. I am from class 10 Social 1 and I will present a paper. I credit entire impact of technology, information and communication in education. The first, my region is a title that is because I want to tell to educator order to use technology, information and communication nicely. The second, background. The presence of communication technology happen on influence which quite large for life as well as communication technology, which is hardware in organizational structure which contains social value that allows individuals to collect, process, and exchange information. For example, if people able to talk to other people, being afforded by papers, and after calling the person can talk definition and communication technology, which is in source from the times information and communication technology trends. Popular idioms Japanese information technology is defined as technology processing and dimension of the using hardware and software, computer communication and digital electronics. The third, the purpose of reading research. Explain the implication of IT and the Internet. Explain how information and communication technology in education. Explain the impact on education. The fourth, formulation of the problem. What are the implications of IT and the Internet? How information and communication technology in education? What is the impact on education? The fifth, framework of supporting there is information and communication technology terms popular in late Japanese formally the information technology or computer technology is called electronic data processing. Is called electronic data processing, therefore it's very important to import human research covering a disregarding from circulation knowledge operation of millions and supervision as when as camping bleeding. The sixth discussion implication of it and internet education. The history of IT and internet cannot be spread from education. The internet allows someone in Indonesia to access libraries in the Union States papers and research can be done with the sake of data via email or data using mechanism for sharing. Papers and research can be done with the exchange of data over the internet via email or by using a mechanism sharing file. Imagine If a student in Iran can discuss medical issues with experts at leading university is Jaffa. Student anywhere in Indonesia or lecturer can access the best expert in Indonesia and even the world. Geography's boundaries is not an issue anymore. Sharing information is also neat in the file of which that students are not rabid given the well. The result of research in universities and research universities can be asked together to speed up the process of development of science and technology. Library is one on expensive resource. The internet allows persons in Indonesia to access the library in the unknown status. Mechanism library access can be done by asking a special program typical asking Z390 starting which was Telnet application shows are the application has net or via a web browser, NetApp, and Internet Explorer. There have been many stories about the how the Internet and status extract of information of the frequently execution by experts can be done via the Internet without the Internet money final project and that's which many require more time to be researched. Comparison between experts and also with students who are still far apart can be done more easily. Professional a person had to unveil a way to see a specialist discuss a problem currently to be done from by sending an email. Information and communication technology in education. Of all the many new degrees that have thrown out have a free brain impact on human civilization like education, all activities can be easily accessed through a computer network, the internet of course. Thanks to the titles that are offered by student scientists, explorers of residents. In the environment of students can legal they be a beginner anymore. The popular today is learning is model of learning by asking media communication technology internet. A learning is the art of internet technology in the delivery of learning in a wide around the base of the sector. A learning is network with the ability of the store, distribute and share materials or communication and information. Delivery up to the user through a computer async standard in the internet technology. The seven, its impact in the fields of research. CD impact, contravailing and redirecting all aspects of learning spill upward, learn as individuals will learn with students. Negative impact, students become extended to the extent of more virtual words, criminal act. The eighth conclusion, communication technology in education now experiencing extraordinary checks where the presence of spotlight communication technology has brought a lot of significant impact of the development of education itself can be seen in the development of such a network learning system of learning as well and as other matter of technology nature with the computer, the education of visual proud connection in the collection the so forth. The ninth suggestion, information technology is a technology that is very easy for us in terms, including in education. The more the technology is getting more and more so outward becomes easier to do. Besides its positive impact, technology has a negative impact as well. Once we know the impact caused by the applying the information and communication technology in. We shall take advantage of every available technology is the technology measurement and also for the negative events that come us. From time to time class new the learning process change from paper to online. To that has been expression can be built of see as an education institution to implement computerized system. Many things as well as to benefits of its existence, a position that was one as a transmit of knowledge the many sort of information expert material and also of all engineering and only as a learning facilitator collaborator knowledge navigator learning partners such as educational activities computer near the internet that is certainly the case thanks to the satellite which is over time the student teacher or education able to obtain the information to obtain more recent example. The 10 reference Juliana Beatu 2021 Impact Information and communication technology in introduced in Bajawa NT Indonesia. Thank you.